culture, Dubwise vibration from the island to the world. Listen to the bass line calling. Oh, wake up in the morning with the sunshine glow. Feel the ocean breeze and the rhythm flow. Every little struggle gonna fade away when the reggae music starts to play. People from the east and people from the west, searching for peace and a little happiness. One love rising in the air tonight, guided by the moon and the morning light. The streets may be rough, times may be hard, still we keep moving with our hopeful hearts. Every beat dropping like a healing rain, washing away all the fear and pain. This is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel the vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong and wise. Dubwise spirit reaching to the skies. This is the message, let your worries go. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit flow. One love, one heart, everybody sing. Feel the reggae power in everything. Palm trees swaying underneath the stars, music drifting from the neighborhood bars. Children laughing while the elders smile. Everybody dancing island style. No matter where you're coming from today, the music always finds a special way to bring us together under one sound, where peace and unity can be found. The drum keeps talking, the bass replies, like ancient stories beneath the skies. Generation after generation strong, passing down the roots through every song. Bass is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel the vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong and wise. Dubwise spirit reaching to the skies. Bass is the message, let your worries go. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit flow. One love, one heart, everybody sing. Feel the reggae power in everything. Dubwise, heavy bass rolling through the night. Heavy bass shining like a light. Heavy bass deep inside your soul. Heavy bass making broken people whole. We don't need riches to enjoy this day. The simple things can lead us on our way. A friendly smile and a helping hand can build a better world across the land. Listen to the heartbeat of the earth below. Feel the natural energy grow. Mountains, rivers, forests and seas moving together in perfect harmony. The rhythm is medicine for the mind, leaving negativity behind. Every speaker box and every sound spreads good vibrations all around. This is the message. against the morning sky. We remember every reason why. Music keeps the human spirit free and opens eyes so we can truly see. No border standing in the way tonight, only positive energy and light. The rhythm speaks a universal tongue. Old and young become forever young. Every journey has a winding road. Every soul carries a different load. But together we can rise above, guided by respect and endless love. This is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel a vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong and wise. Dubwise spirit reaching to the skies. This is the message, let your words go. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit flow. One love, one heart, everybody sing. Feel the reggae power in everything. This is the message, roots vibes forever. Ooh. Brapa, brapa, brapa. Roots vibes forever. Roots vibes forever. Roots vibes forever. As the sunrise paints the morning sky, we remember every reason why. Music keeps the human spirit free and opens eyes so we can truly see. No border standing in the way tonight, only positive energy and yeah. Feel the vibration deep in your chest. Bass is rising. In the night where the shadows move slow, feel the bass line under your soul. Heartbeat sinking with the sound. Heavy dub gonna shake the ground. From the roots where the rhythm was born, through the fire, through the storm. Sound system calling your name. In this vibe we are the same. Close your eyes, let it flow. Let the low end take control. No escape, just embrace. Feel the pressure, feel the bass. The pressure rising, feel it deep inside. No denying, let the rhythm guide. The pressure rising, take you far away. No more hiding, let the bass line play. Boom, 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 boom. Feel that pressure. Boom, 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 boom. Through the smoke and neon light, we keep moving through the night. Every step, every sound, bass vibration all around. From the jungle to the streets, feel the rhythm in your feet. Ancient roots in modern time, dope connection In the darkness we unite, guided by the flashing light. No more fear, no more doubt. Let the heavy bass break out. Feel the ground beneath you shake. Every move, every break. Sound system taking control. Deep vibration in your soul. The pressure rising, higher than before. Hypnotizing, begging you for more. The pressure rising, let the speakers cry. Energizing, take you to the sky. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the bass fade slowly, but it never really leaves. Can you feel it coming back? Stronger, deeper, heavier. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. The pressure rising, rising. Feel the bass in your soul. Rising, rising. Fire, spiritual fire, burning in the darkness, burning through the night. Jah light guide I, oh. Spiritual fire, in the silence of the evening air, I can feel a presence everywhere, like a whisper moving through my soul, helping broken pieces become whole. The world keeps turning fast each day. Many hearts are drifting far away, searching for a truth they cannot see, looking for the key to set them free. But deep inside the sacred flame lives a light that always stays the same. Through every struggle, every trial, it carries us another mile. The elders told us long ago, plant good seeds and watch them grow. Through the sunshine and the rain, love returns again and again. Spiritual fire burning bright, guide us through the darkest night. Lift our hearts and show the way, lead us to a better day. Spiritual fire deep inside, be the strength we cannot hide. Through the bass and through the sound, sacred love is all around. Yeah, hear the drums across the land, calling every woman, every man, to remember where we came from and the battles that we've overcome. Mountains standing strong and tall, witnessing the rise and fall of kingdoms built upon their pride, then carried by the changing tide. Still the roots remain below, giving life to all that grow, holding firm beneath the ground, where the deepest truths are found. The baseline rolls just like the sea, flowing with eternal energy. child deserves a chance to dream beyond circumstance, to walk beneath the sky so wide with dignity and hope inside. Oh, no chains can hold our spirit free, like branches reaching from a tree. We grow together naturally, connected through humanity. Oh, when the night feels cold and long, remember every sacred song. The ancestors are singing still across the valley and the hill. Listen to the wind that blows everywhere the wisdom goes, through the rivers and the streams, flowing softly through our dreams. Spiritual fire burning bright, guide us through the darkest night. Lift our hearts and show the way, lead us to a better day. Spiritual fire deep inside, be the strength we cannot hide. Through the bass and through the sound, sacred love is all around. Oh, the lion's voice is in the air, a reminder that we're meant to care for one another while we're here, replacing hatred with sincere. The journey may be rough at times, filled with mountains left to climb, yet every step becomes divine when love and truth begin to shine. The stars above continue glowing while the river keeps on flowing. Life is always rearranging, yet the spirit keeps on growing. In every heartbeat there's a flame, though every path may look the same. Each soul has its own sacred name, each one part of Jah's great frame. Rise up, let the fire burn. Rise up, let the lesson learn. Stand strong, through the stormy weather. Stand tall, walking on together. Spiritual fire burning bright, guide us through the darkest night. Lift our hearts and show the way, lead us to a better day. Spiritual fire deep inside, be the strength we cannot hide. Through the bass and through the sound, sacred love is all around. Spiritual fire burning bright, guide us through the darkest night. Lift our hearts and show the way, lead us to a better day. Spiritual fire deep inside, be the strength we cannot hide. Through the bass and through the sound, sacred love is all around. Oh,
Babylon, can you hear the echoes calling? Far beyond the city lights, far beyond the concrete walls, the bass is speaking, the truth is rising. Deep echoes in Babylon. Walking through the streets of the restless town, watching people chasing crowns, running fast but feeling down, lost beneath Babylon's shadowed ground. Tall buildings reaching for the sky, dreams are sold and hopes run dry. Many wonder the reason why, yet never stop to question lies. Voices whisper through the night, searching for a guiding light, trying hard to make things right, holding faith
beat every sound. Roots of wisdom can be found, not above but underground, where true freedom knows no bounds. Listen closely to the breeze, flowing gently through the trees, bringing minds back to their peace, helping troubled hearts release. Deep echoes in Babylon, oh, calling us to carry on, yeah, through the darkness and the fear. Just vibration still is here. Deep echoes in Babylon, yeah, like an ancient sacred song. Oh, to the baseline we belong, to a love that's always strong. Echoes, echoes, echoes. Babylon echoes, echoes, echoes. Baseline rolling, mountains calling. Dubwise, dubwise, deep vibration, meditation. Across the oceans far away, people search for brighter days, trying to escape the maze of Babylon's confusing ways. Yet the answer's in the soul, not in power, not control. Only love can make us whole, only truth can heal the goal. When the sound system arrives, every spirit comes alive. Through the rhythm we survive, keeping hope and dreams alive. Deep echoes in Babylon, oh, calling us to carry on, oh, through the darkness and the fear. Just vibration still is here. Deep echoes in Babylon, oh, like an ancient sacred song. Oh, to the baseline we belong, to a love that's always strong. The lion roars beyond the hills, a sound that every heart can feel, stronger than the coldest steel, teaching us what's truly real. No matter where the journey goes, like a river always flows. Every seed eventually grows, every flower eventually shows. The roots beneath the earth remain, through the sunshine and the rain, giving strength again and again, helping us endure the strain. Rise above the noise around, hear the deeper hidden sound, where the truth can still be found, where true freedom will abound. Rise above division's wall, answer to the spirit's call. When one rises, we rise all, together standing proud and tall. Deep echoes in Babylon, oh, calling us to carry on, through the darkness and the fear. Just vibration still is here. Deep echoes in Babylon, like an ancient sacred song. Oh, through the baseline we belong, to a love that's always strong. Deep echoes in Babylon, calling us to carry on, through the darkness and the fear. Just vibration still is here. Deep echoes in Babylon, like an ancient sacred song. Through the baseline we belong, to a love that's always strong. Babylon, 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 can you hear the echoes calling? Babylon, Babylon, can you hear the echoes calling? Babylon, can you hear the echoes calling? Far beyond the city lights, far beyond the concrete walls, the bass is speaking, the truth is rising. Deep echoes in Babylon, walking through the streets of the restless town, watching people chasing crowns, running fast but feeling down, lost beneath Babylon's shadowed ground. Tall buildings reaching for the sky, dreams are sold and hopes run dry.
Many wonder the reason why, yet never stop to question lies. Voices whisper through the night, searching for a guiding light, trying not to make things right, holding faith with all their might. Deep echoes in Babylon, oh, calling us to carry on, oh, through the darkness and the fear. Just vibration still is here. Deep echoes in Babylon, like an ancient sacred song. Through the baseline we belong, to a love that's always strong. Babylon.
Yeah, man. One love, one art, sound system culture. From the roots to the future, bass vibration, feel the meditation. Sunrise glow up on the mountainside. River keeps flowing like a never-ending guide. Children laughing while the elders testify. Stories of freedom reaching up to the sky. We gather around with the family near. No fear in our heart, only wisdom we share. Drums keep calling and the spirit appears through the rhythm and the bass in our ears. Every struggle make us stronger than before. Every lesson open up another door. When the world keep pushing down on the poor, music remind us what we're living for. Dubwise, roots and culture tonight. Bassline shining like a beacon light. One love flowing through the dark and bright. We keep moving till the morning light. Dubwise, roots and culture so deep. Positive energy we always keep. Sound system medicine for every street. Feel the vibration underneath your feet. Hear the waterfall singing harmony. Nature speaking in a sacred melody. Every heartbeat moving perfectly, connected by the universal energy. Lion spirit standing proud and tall. When the pressure comes we never fall. Brothers and sisters answering the call. One destiny embracing us all. Through the city lights and village roads, everybody carrying heavy loads. Music lift away the weight we hold, turning simple moments into gold. Dubwise, roots and culture tonight. Bassline shining like a beacon light. One love flowing through the dark and bright. We keep moving till the morning light. Dubwise, roots and culture so deep. Positive energy we always keep. Sound system medicine for every street. Feel the vibration underneath your feet. Bass rolling, feel it in your chest, feel it in your soul. Echo, echo, echo. One love, one love. Roots and culture. Many roads lead to the same destination. Different colors, one human nation. No need for hatred, no separation. Love is stronger than manipulation. See the sunset painting every cloud. Silent wisdom speaking clear and loud. No need to chase the approval of the crowd. Stand firm and make your ancestors proud. Keep your vision focused on the light. Even when you're facing darkest night, truth and justice always worth the fight. Hold your faith and everything's alright. Dubwise, roots and culture tonight. Bassline shining like a beacon light. One love flowing
Kingston echoes to the islands afar. Every sound system shining like a star. No matter where in the world you are, music always know exactly who we are. When the speakers shake the ground below, positive vibrations start to grow. Through the highs and through the lows, the river of love forever flows. Shoot up today, keep your vision clear. The future belongs to those who persevere. Walk with courage and never disappear. Your purpose is already drawing near. Dubwise, roots and culture tonight. Bassline shining like a beacon light. One love flowing through the dark and bright. We keep moving till the morning light. Dubwise, roots and culture so deep. Positive energy we always keep. Sound system medicine for every street. Feel the vibration underneath your feet. Dubwise, Dubwise, roots and culture, roots and culture. Feel the beat, feel the beat. Deep and heavy, deep and heavy. One love, one love. Good vibration, good vibration. Look around at the beauty we receive. More than enough if we choose to believe. Every seed planted eventually leaves a blessing hidden underneath the trees. Give thanks for the air and the rain, for the sunshine after every pain, for the wisdom every loss can gain. Nothing in this life is ever in vain. The rhythm carry us across the sea, beyond borders where we're meant to be. The sound of freedom always setting free. A song of hope for all humanity. Dubwise, roots and culture tonight. Bassline shining like a beacon light. One love flowing through the dark and bright. We keep moving till the morning light. Dubwise, roots and culture so deep. Positive energy we always keep. Sound system medicine for every street. Feel the vibration underneath your feet. Dubwise, one love. Roots and culture, roots and culture. One love, one love.
Yeah, oh yeah. Roots and bass, feel it in your soul. Dubwise. Under the sunset, colors fade away. Soft wind whisper what words can't say. Walking slow on this sacred ground. Feel the bass as it shakes the sound. Heartbeat rising with every drum. Deep vibration, here it comes. No more noise, just peace inside. Let the rhythm be your guide. Let it go, all your stress and pain. In this groove we feel no change. No more fear, just let it flow. Through the sound we start to glow. Roots and bass, feel the vibration moving through your soul like a revelation. Roots and bass, positive elevation. control. From the city to the island breeze, feel the vibe in the jungle trees. Strong foundation, deep and wise, see the truth beyond disguise. Roots. Feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. No matter where you come from, see, in this sound we all feel free. Different faces, one same vibe, connected to the sound we ride. Open sky and open mind, leave your worries far behind. Every drop brings something new, peace and love is breaking through. Roots and bass, feel the vibration, moving through your soul like a revelation. Roots and bass, positive elevation, lift your higher with no limitation. Roots and bass, deeper connection, feel the power in every section. Roots and bass, pure meditation, healing hearts across the nation. Close your eyes, breathe it in, let the rhythm flow within. No more pain, no more fight, only love and only light. Slowly drifting, feel the sound. Let your soul be freedom bound. Roots and bass, feel the vibration, stronger than any situation. Roots and bass, no limitation, freedom lives in every sensation. Roots and bass, universal sound, echoing all around. Roots and bass, we are one, shining brighter than the sun. Roots and bass, feel the vibration. One love, one sound, Dubwise, forever. Yeah, man. Roots and culture, Dubwise vibration, from the island to the world. Listen to the bass line calling. Oh, oh, yeah. Ba-da-dum, 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 ba-dum, dum, dum, oh. Yeah, man. Wake up in the morning with the sunshine glow, feel the ocean breeze and the rhythm flow. Every little struggle gonna fade away when the reggae music starts to play. People from the east and people from the west, searching for peace and a little happiness. One love rising in the air tonight, guided by the moon and the morning light. The streets may be rough, times may be hard, still we keep moving with our hopeful hearts. Every beat dropping like a healing rain, washing away all the fear and pain. This is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel the vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong. Simple things can lead us on our way. A friendly smile and a helping hand can build a better world across the land. Listen to the heartbeat of the earth below. Feel the natural energy grow. Mountains, rivers, forests and seas moving together in perfect harmony. The rhythm is medicine for the mind, leaving negativity behind. Every speaker box and every sound spreads good vibrations all around. This is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel the vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong and wise. Dubwise spirit reaching to the skies. This is the message, let your worries go. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit flow. One love, one heart, everybody sing. Feel the reggae power in everything. Ta-da! Yeah. Ta-da! Ta-da! Tonight we gather by the seaside flame. Different faces, but we're all the same. Sharing stories underneath the moon, singing melodies and dancing tunes. The bass line travels like a rolling wave, giving courage to the weak and brave. Every heartbeat finds a place to be inside this reggae family. Raise your hands and let the music lead, planting every positive seed. What we give is what we get in return. Lessons that the roots have helped us learn. Bass is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel the vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong and wise. Dubwise spirit reaching to the skies. Bass is the message, let your worries go. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit flow. One love, one heart, everybody sing. Feel the reggae power in everything. Bass is the message, bass. Roots vibes forever. Bass is the message. One love, one heart, one heart. Bass is the message. Fade out. As the sunrise paints the morning sky, we remember every reason why. Music keeps the human spirit free and opens eyes so we can truly see. No border standing in the way tonight, only positive energy and light. The rhythm speaks a universal tongue. Old and young become forever young. Every journey has a winding road. Every soul carries a different load. But together we can rise above, guided by respect and endless love. This is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel a vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong and wise. Dubwise spirit reaching to the skies. This is the message, let your worries go. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit flow. One love, one heart, everybody sing. Feel the reggae power in everything. The bass is the message, roots vibes forever. Roots vibes forever. Roots vibes forever. Roots vibes forever. As the sunrise paints the morning sky, we remember every reason why. Music keeps the human spirit free and opens eyes so we can truly